Hello, it's Jude Sensei here once again to hit you up with today's great English phrase, which is hit the sack. Hit the sack. Now, maybe some of you know this one. This is one of the most famous idioms, English idioms that you can find. So to hit the sack means to go to bed. To go to bed. Yep, that simple. To hit the sack means to go to bed. So at the end of a busy day, when you're very knackered, when you're tired, when you're very knackered and you want to go to bed, you can tell your partner, you could tell your children, you could tell your dog, all right, it's enough. It's time for me to hit the sack. And you can go off to bed. Hopefully this was useful to you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Ciao!